Tell them walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and for today's video we are going to be talking about the new Pat McGrath blush collection. So I picked up a few things from the Divine Rose collection and I am gagging. Like, I can't wait to share it with you. Ever since I saw the drop I was just like, I gotta have it. And you guys know, if you guys are not new here, you know I love me a blush. So I was very here for this collection. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So I actually didn't open it yet. Like, usually I always open things straight away, straight after I get them. I opened the box, yes, I did that, but I didn't take out the contents. I didn't check it, I didn't do anything because I wanted to share this moment with you on camera. So I picked up two blushes and the highlight. They had like this, they had lots of little collections, so I picked up this collection. I chose two blushes and a highlight. So the highlight is in Golden Next. The packaging is absolutely stunning, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, I'm speechless. And the packaging for the blushes are like exactly the same. I love everything about the packaging, it's gorgeous. But yeah, let's get inside. I do love packaging, I do care about packaging, but what is going on? Did somebody commit murder? As I was saying, I do love packaging, I care about packaging, but I care more for what's inside. Ooh, even the box opens different, oh my god. Like, that's how you open the box. I don't have a lot of Pat McGrath stuff. I have a couple of lip glosses and I have the concealer, and I'm in love. This is luxe. What? Stunning. Even the opening. Okay, this is how you open it. Bro, I can't even do it. Is that the nails? So this is the shade Paradise Venus. It is stunning. Oh my gosh. Even the like roses and the little lines, like the embossing on it is beautiful. There's a mirror. Oh gosh. This is stunning. This is stunning. Like, one thing I love about Pat McGrath as a brand is the fact that it is black owned and luxury. Like, I love those two things. Look at that. The shade isn't as rich as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a very rich brick terracotta kind of shade, but I'm here for it. Like, this shade, I'm here for it so far. Another thing I was very curious about is the fact that it is a demi matte finish, which sounds like a bit of me. So we're going to get into that too. So the two shades I got are Lovestruck and Paradise Venus, and both these shades speak to my soul. They speak to the core of my being. These are the kind of shades that I live for. I love me a brown terracotta blush, and I love me a pinky mauvey blush. Like, if you are a blush babe like me, you know about MAC Raisin and MAC Stubborn. Those two blushes are like my staples. Stubborn, rest in peace, because she's been discontinued and the one I had has disappeared from my life. But yes, these two blushes, woo, it's so beautiful. I don't even want to swatch it, but I'm gonna swatch it. It feels velvety smooth. Gosh, heads up, if you have nails, it's a little bit hard to open. So that is Paradise Venus, and I'm about to swatch Lovestruck. Get into it. Get into it. And that is Lovestruck. These two shades, I made the right choice. Like, something about me, I have the eye. I have the eye. Anything I see online, I get a feel for what, if it's gonna work for me or not. And these, I haven't even put them on my face and I'm here bragging about the eye. I am in love. Now this is the highlighter. I'm a bit worried. I don't know. It has that like pink opalescent kind of look to it, like mother of pearl kind of look. But I am afraid. Like, they did model it on very fair skin. I don't know what I was thinking, but I have this feeling that it's one of those one size fits all kind of things that I'm just, fingers crossed for me, guys. Fingers crossed. Very, very, very smooth. Okay. It has like a goldy pinky shift, but I'm still scared. I don't know if you can see the shift on camera, but in person it has like a pinky, peachy, golden shift to it, which it does look beautiful, but at the same time, maybe this one's for the clients, it's not for me. Maybe this is what I'm gonna put on people of more fair skin, but we're gonna try it out. I'm scared, I'll admit, but we're gonna try it out and see. I'm so afraid of dropping these, and they're also smaller than I thought they'd be, but I like when things are compact. So I'm gonna start off with Paradise Venus, and I'm gonna put that on this cheek here. Ooh, what? Already? Oh, okay. And I see the demi matte. I see the demi matte. This is beautiful. A bit more. Oh, wow. Okay. New favorite blush. New favorite blush. I don't know if Lovestruck can compete. I don't know if Lovestruck can compete. My other favorite blush right now is Summertime Wine by Fenty Beauty, and it has that same berry mauvey kind of shade to it. So I'm gonna try this out and see what's up. Yeah, because it looks a little bit brighter than like. Okay. Okay. Okay, both of these are doing exactly what they need to do, because what? Everything I want in a blush. Everything I want in a blush. I'm so happy with the shades I picked. Like, I almost want that electric bloom shade as well. That they have this orangey shade, and that shade is also a bit of me, but these two shades I am wholly satisfied. What? I look like a blushing bride. Ah! I felt good. I look so good. What? I love that. Both of these blushes are doing exactly what needs to be done. So I dropped one. I know Pat McGrath stuff is sensitive. I know. The fact that it's so hard to open. Okay. Okay. Praise be. Praise be. I need to put these in safety. I don't like the fact that they all look so similar from outside, even the highlighter, so I can't really tell what's what. But what I do like is how it's looking, how it's sitting on the face, because it's sitting pretty, okay? Okay? Like, I'm actually too gassed. I'm too gassed. Like, I know I'm gassed. I'm still very nervous about the highlighter, but like, here goes. It looks white on the brush. Whew. Okay. Okay. She works with the girls, okay? That's a universal glow. That's a universal glow. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work. I was so nervous. You guys saw, but she's glowing. I just put a touch of it on the forehead just to see what it's like if you only use a little bit, and it has that like glow from within kind of look. So I'm very happy with this highlight because it's very universal, which means if you're a makeup artist, cop, because you can use it on anyone. And I like the fact that it's, I don't know, I went in very sparingly because I was scared, but I like the fact that it melts into the skin like You can't tell me that isn't just, you know, me and my skin highlighting right now. What? I love that. I'm gonna turn the brightness down because I don't know if I'm being washed out or not. Yeah, this is giving a bit more true to color. But like I'm blushed and highlighted to perfection, absolute perfection. So you don't even have to ask, I don't even need to give my final thoughts on this because this collection is doing everything I need in a blush, everything I need from a blush. I do love the demi matte thing. I wasn't sure how it was gonna go. I knew that I liked the sound of it, but I wasn't sure how a demi matte blush would look. But I like the fact that it doesn't look dry. It also, if you like that dewy look, it keeps the glow. Like, it doesn't have a powdery look to it. It just has a skin-like finish, which I love a skin-like finish. Like, but can we get into the glow? Basically everything I want from a blush, everything I want from a highlighter, these are giving me. Like, you know, sometimes you put a highlighter on and it looks like a streak. This does not look like a streak. This is like melted into my skin, honey. You can't tell where my skin stops and the highlighter starts. And you saw how the blushes went on. Blushes went on good. The only thing I don't like is the clasp. I don't like how you open it, but that might just be a claw thing. Like, these nails are long. These nails are really, really long, so that might be that thing, but we'll see. But everything else, stunning. Stunning. So yeah, that wraps this video up. I tried, I came, I saw, I conquered. I loved everything. Like, to be honest, I've never been disappointed with a pack products. Like, I'm very cautious. I don't like falling in love with high-end things. I don't like falling in love with expensive luxury items because they're expensive. But if it's good, it's good. If it's good, it is good. And I look like a blushing bride. I look like I am glowing from within. I look like I'm, you know, pregnant or something. I'm not. But take a second look at me. Take a second look at me. But yeah, I love everything. Please let me know what you think. What side do you like more? Do you like Paradise Venus? Do you like Lovestruck? Do you love the highlights? Are you not a fan of highlights? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I'd love to see you in the next one. So please make sure that you are subscribed.